Good morning, internet. Yeah, I just woke up. Yeah, just cleaned up and stuff. But yeah, today I'm gonna be spending the day here in the homestead, and I'll be working on my washing. So it's been almost a week. I think I'm on day 5 or 6 now. Yeah, so I've run out of clothes. So I carried just enough to get by. And today I'll be doing a bit of laundry, and yeah, I'm also gonna walk the perimeter to calculate the actual number of meters I need for my perimeter fence. So I've decided I'm gonna put a fence instead.
Boom Blue Boom detergent is for washing, so it's a paste which I'll just put in here. Then I put my clothes in it, soak them a little bit. So I've just poured the packet, put it in the dish there. So I'll just do this. And we're good to go. That's it. So I'll just put more water in it. Let me read how much water should I put for this packet. So it's a 200 gram packet. Doesn't say. It's only got ingredients and prepare clothes, wash separate color, dissolve paste in a water basin, then soak clothes and leave for a few minutes. Okay. Nothing else. I like organic things, but this is one of those factory things you can't run away from. Unless you use aloe vera to wash your clothes. I heard it's possible, but anyway. Yeah. Right, so I'm gonna wash my clothes, put them on the drying line over there. Oh, I think my caretaker forgot the blanket there. And then put them on this washing line over here. You can see some pegs there. Where's the pegs? Oh, there's the peg. There. So just wash, put it on the line, and that's it. Feels great to be homesteading. I'm actually beginning to like it here. So peaceful, no stress of the city and stuff. I could stay here for a while if I could. It's kind of nice. Let me show you the foam. Check how much foam it produced. A lot. Yeah, let me add more. Okay, maybe let me put the clothes now in, and then take it from there. Soak them a little bit, wash them, search the pockets first, check if there's any money in it. Not that there will be, but just in case. Okay, there's one right there, another one. Crazy. Okay, they said I must soak the clothes for a few minutes. I'm probably gonna soak the white clothes in here. Okay, these ones need to separate them from the rest. And just put a little. Sure, they're heavy. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just now finishing up the laundry. So what I've done now is bring the laundry close to the well so that I can rinse the clothes. So it's only the rinsing now that's left, and and then I can basically put them on the line. I've already put the white clothes there on the line. So once I'm done with these, I'm done with the laundry. Right, just rinse these, then we're good to go. Hey guys, me again. I think around now it's about 2 p.m. I think. So yeah, today was a little bit eventful. I did the laundry and I hired some 2 boys to cut down some trees that were in the way. were bushes that were in the way. I managed to pay for the fence, so they're gonna come tomorrow to start the installation. I'm so excited. So now I'm just gonna walk the perimeter just to see if there's any spots that might need attention before the guys come tomorrow. And then if I do find those, I'm gonna just chop down the brushes or branches of trees that might be in the way. And yeah, so I'll see you when I start walking around.